Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix WhatsApp notifications sound not working on iPhone. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. You have uh, open the setting. First solution, you have turn on WhatsApp notification. So you have open the setting, and then you have scroll up, then you have see the WhatsApp app, then you have click here. So you have seen him, so notification, so you have allow the notification from here. So first solution is not working there. Second solution, you have turn on airplane mode and turn it off. So you have from here airplane mode turn on and off. So a second method is turn from here, control center open, and then you have two or three times you have open a flight mode is turned on and off on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. And if there are second solution is not working there, third solution, you have check the do not disturb mode setting. So you have from here the check, you have click on open the control center, then you have click on focus mode. So you have check from here is do not disturb mode is turned on or off on your iPhone. So then third solution is not working there. Fourth solution, you have check the network connection. So you have Wi-Fi use or cellular data use. So you have network connection, so you have will be check on your iPhone. So you have internet, so you have flight mode turn on turn off, then you have refresh the internet cellular data agar or the Wi-Fi is used. So you have disconnect and then reconnect on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. Then you have uh, force the WhatsApp, and then you have restart, and then restart, then you have iPhone, then you have use the WhatsApp. So you have stop, and then you have restart your iPhone. Volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed. And then other solution you have is not working notification sound WhatsApp. So you have uninstall from here. So you have long press, then you have remove, and then you have install from app store, and then your problem will be fixed. Also is not working there, update the app. So you have do not delete from here. So you have update from app store. So you have uh, search the WhatsApp app, and then you have update is available on your iPhone. So you have update the from iPhone, and then you have problem update is available in my iPhone. So you have update from here. So then your problem will be fixed. If there are this solution is not working, their last solution, you have update iOS latest version on iPhone. So then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.